Technology is evolving faster than ever, transforming the way we live, work, and play. But what lies ahead? In this video, we're diving into the groundbreaking gadgets that could define the next decade. Let's get started. Imagine wearing lenses that project your to-do list or GPS directions right into your field of vision. Companies like Mojo Vision are making this sci-fi dream a reality. Workout gear that tracks your hydration, stress, and heart rate will make fitness smarter than ever. Your home will soon clean itself with bots that vacuum, sanitize, and even do laundry. Imagine robotic arms cooking your meals with precision based on your dietary needs. Urban congestion will be a thing of the past as flying cars hit the market. Travel at speeds over 600 miles per hour, reducing long commutes to minutes. Track your health in real time with devices implanted under your skin. Patches that use stem cells to heal wounds and scars could revolutionize medicine. Gaming, movies, and even meetings will go 3D with holograms. Control gadgets and games with just your thoughts. The next decade promises gadgets that will reshape our lives in ways we can't fully imagine yet. What tech excites you most? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future.